U Superintendent of Police ke East Coast Hills ubak Vivek Sim hak arterik nailur, ula pensyai baka jingkam Jokowi ke kena kentai ke belah syakdung da utarnya injek, haki arngut kirunar ke bawanda ke arsyaka, hakatan jayau, kam desa tia ke belah jaya shisha. Katkum ka jing ujor bala ujor hapuak lum dangery police station hakakat praterik nailar, kawai ke kena kentai ke la kenok bakala syakdung da unar injek, naka terpeng ke monjongka, haki arngut ki beriu ki bakup helmet hajan Bible Society of India jaya. Lakban kedau baka ni kejing jia kala penmi iru yang kejing siir baka jing sungu kia ke bajor hapadeng kipat ba nong syong shnong, kam tam haka ni nong ba shlong, ke bala penmi iru kejing penrem na ki babun kiliang. Hadien bala pelong yang kejing tokit ke babenia baka jing jurip ya baru kisah ki satar bat ya kejing batai bala rekod hakamat ke ying kasyari, na kalian ki pulit kila syam baka ni kejing keno, kam syam lajia kumbala ujor ejahar ong USP. Haba buat renti ekilenti jongkaan, ya kekai pot ke bakat du hakabaya day bat kani kekam on sa IT syaka ying kasyari ula benram.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.